I'm Rashika Sharma, and in today's video we are going to learn Odoo API integration step by step. API integration is one of the most powerful concepts in modern software development because it allows different applications to communicate with each other automatically. Using APIs, we can connect Odoo with mobile apps, websites, payment systems, WhatsApp, third-party tools, and many other external systems. In this video, we'll learn what APIs are, why API integration is important, XML/RPC, authentication, fetching data, creating records, Postman testing, and real-world project examples. So let's get started. First, let's understand what an API actually is. API stands for Application Programming Interface. An API acts like a bridge between two software systems. It allows applications to communicate and exchange data with each other. For example, a mobile app can communicate with Odoo using APIs. A website can fetch products from Odoo using APIs. And an external system can automatically create orders inside Odoo. The best part is, all this happens without changing Odoo's core code. APIs follow standardized communication rules, which makes integrations predictable and reliable. Now let's understand why API integration is so important. First, it helps connect external applications. For example, you can connect Odoo with websites, mobile apps, payment gateways, WhatsApp, shipping providers, and third-party tools. Second, it enables automation. Instead of manual data entry, systems automatically exchange data. Third, mobile integration. Developers can create custom mobile apps connected directly with Odoo. And fourth, real-time synchronization. Whenever data changes, all connected systems stay updated automatically. Now let's understand XML/RPC in Odoo. Odoo mainly uses XML/RPC for API communication. XML/RPC allows remote procedure calls over the internet. The good thing is, it comes built into every Odoo installation. No extra setup is required. Using XML/RPC, external systems can read records, create records, update data, and delete records remotely. In Python, we usually use XML/RPC.client.server-proxy to establish API connections. Then we connect to database, username, password, and server URL. This creates communication between the external application and Odoo. Before accessing Odoo APIs, authentication is required. Odoo needs three important credentials: database name, username, and password. After successful authentication, Odoo returns a UID. UID means user ID. This UID acts like a session identity for future API requests. One important security tip: never hard-code passwords in production systems. Always use environment variables, encrypted storage, or secure vault systems. Now let's understand how to fetch data from Odoo. To read records, we use execute_kw. This method allows us to call Odoo model methods remotely. For example, we can fetch customer records from raise.partner using search_read. Search_read is beginner friendly because it combines filtering and data fetching inside one request. We can also specify fields like name, email, phone number, company details, and much more. This is how external apps read live data from Odoo. Now let's learn how to create records using APIs. Using Create. External systems can insert data into Odoo remotely. For example, a mobile app can create sales orders directly in Odoo. We pass model name and field values. Then Odoo creates the record automatically. After creation, Odoo returns the record ID. This ID can later be used for updates, searches, or further processing. This is one of the most important features in ERP integrations. Now let's understand Postman testing. Postman is a very popular API testing tool. Before writing production code, developers often test APIs using Postman. Inside Postman, we enter the API URL, choose post method, send request payloads, and inspect responses. This helps developers debug APIs, test authentication, and verify data exchange. Postman is extremely useful for beginners learning API integration. Now let's discuss some real-world use cases. First, mobile applications. Companies create mobile apps connected directly with Odoo. Second, e-commerce integration. Online stores automatically sync products, orders, customers, and inventory. Third, WhatsApp automation. Businesses automatically send invoices, order confirmations, and alerts. Fourth, third-party integrations. Odoo can connect with accounting software, shipping providers, payment gateways, and CRM systems. This is how real companies build fully connected ecosystems using APIs. So today we learned what APIs are, why API integration matters, XML/RPC, authentication, fetching data, creating records, Postman testing, and real-world business examples. Now you understand how Odoo communicates with external systems using APIs. In the next video, we'll learn Odoo controllers. We'll build custom API endpoints directly inside Odoo itself. Make sure you subscribe to Odooverse, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.